Researchers at Kansas State University have been awarded a $1.2 million research grant to study the optimal antimicrobial use for controlling Anaplasma marginale, the causative agent of bovine anaplasmosis. Kathryn Reif, assistant professor in the Diagnostic Medicine and Pathobiology department at the K-State College of Veterinary Medicine, said she and other researchers will determine the susceptibility of different strains of Anaplasma marginale to chlortetracycline. The project will look at 3 different chlortetracycline treatment protocols for cattle, with Reif and her colleagues providing practical recommendations for controlling the disease to the Food and Drug Administration and ultimately cattle producers. She said treatment policies should maximize the therapeutic effect while minimizing the risk of developing resistance. Anaplasma marginale strains recently have been isolated in Kansas cattle herds. Ranchers across the state are concerned the current FDA-approved anaplasmosis treatment regimens are not sufficiently controlling the disease. Reif suggested efficacy concerns over the current anaplasmosis control measures underscore the need for updated science-based recommendations to help cattle producers manage the disease. Reif and others on the research team will host an outreach event on anaplasmosis May the 20th at the Hilton Garden Inn in Manhattan. Speakers, including a producer panel, will discuss strategies and best practices for managing anaplasmosis.